This is your daily glimpse of science. If you want to support our channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. More COVID-19 lockdowns and quarantines. My lonely brain is craving people.
That is a very weird thing to say. My hungry brain only craves food.
That's actually not weird at all. Social isolation is something that many people are experiencing during COVID-19 pandemic. After a whole day of being isolated from everyone, people's brains often perk up at the sight of social gatherings. Just like the brain of a hungry person perks up when he or she sees food photos. The neurons in the brain produce dopamine, which is a chemical messenger associated with reward.
Oh, that's why when I'm hungry, I cannot get those food images out of my head, like chocolate cake, apple pie, vanilla ice cream.
Okay, back to what I was saying. In a study of 40 participants who took part in a 10-hour isolation with no friends, no Facebook, and no Instagram, later in the evening, their brain's neurons showed increased responses to pictures of people chatting or playing team sports. The more isolation the person felt, the stronger the effect.
That is very interesting. Can I continue listing my favorite food now?
I'm not done yet. Scientists have found the effect were blunted for people who reported that they were generally more lonely. The researchers were thinking that it could be because being isolated was not that different from what they had already experienced from their everyday life.
I'm always hungry, but I'm never used to that feeling. Food pictures can always make my mouth water.
A human's midbrain plays a key role in motivating one to seek food, friends, gambling, or drugs. Since people normally don't mind eating or hanging out, their brains could respond to food and social signals even when they aren't hungry or lonely. However, hunger and loneliness made people respond to specific things they were missing.
Oh, I see. So now people are not just craving food anymore, they also crave being socialized with other people.
COVID-19 crisis has really put the mental state and physical health of many people at stake. These social aspects should not be ignored.
How about I go bake some cookies for us? That will satisfy my food craving for now. And then I will tell you all about my food adventure. You will not feel lonely anymore.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.